Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and you're watching me, Tanuja, and in today's video as you guys can see बहुत ही abrupt बाहर का setup है because today I'm going to show you guys how I click my own pictures by myself only. So मेरा YouTube का thumbnail हो, YouTube videos, Instagram पे जो भी pictures होती हैं, I guess 80% of them are shot by myself only. And today I was just feeling to click some pictures क्योंकि अब Instagram पे कुछ post करने के लिए बचा नहीं है. So I thought why not take you guys along with the process of how मेरे को देसी जुगाड़ चलता है मेरा. That's how I'd like to phrase it क्योंकि मैं ऐसे ही काम करती हूँ. So first and foremost, let's talk about selecting an outfit and doing your makeup. So मेरे Instagram का जो feed है, जो aesthetic है, that's all like very warm, oranges, reds and basically a very warm aesthetic. So जब मैं कभी भी pictures click करती हूँ, I make sure that मेरे जितने भी elements हैं in the picture, like most of them, like 70 to 80% of the elements in my picture are in that color scheme only, and that's how you build up an aesthetic Instagram feed or like a monotonous kind of feed. And I'm wearing this yellow t-shirt and नीचे मैंने jeans bell bottom डाल दिया normally, and my makeup is also very orangey, bronzy, glowy because yeah, that's the whole aesthetic of my feed. But let's talk about the setup. So let me just show you guys. This area where I'm standing is the back of my house, जो पीछे की balcony होती है, and यहाँ पे obviously waste सामान वगैरह पड़ा हुआ है and तारे हैं ये कपड़े सुखाने वाली. So अभी इसमें से मैंने कुछ जुगाड़ करा. So basically ये कपड़े सुखाने वाली तार हैं यहाँ पे, एंड इस तार के ऊपर मैंने घर की जो एक वाइट चादर होती है जो हम ओढ़ने के काम में यूज़ करते हैं, वो मैंने यहाँ पे लाइक टांग दी है इसके ऊपर. दिस इज़ द चादर. देन वी हैव अ स्टूल जिसके ऊपर मैं बैठूंगी, एंड मेरे पास ये एक नेट का फैब्रिक भी है. शो यू गाइस मैं इसका क्या करने वाली हूँ. एंड देन हेयर इज़ माई ट्राईपॉड. ये सामने यहाँ जाल है तो सामने से लाइक दिस सनलाइट एंड लाइट कमिंग ओवर लाइक डायरेक्टली, एंड दैट्स द होल सेटअप. सो अभी आई एम सिटिंग ऑन द स्टूल जो मैंने इस चादर के सामने रखा हुआ है, एंड आई हैव दिस नेट की चुन्नी. ये मेरे ही लहंगे की चुन्नी है. सो बेसिकली मैं क्या करूँगी, आई एम गोना जस्ट टेक दिस चुन्नी and put this over my camera like this and get into the chunni like this, and then I'm gonna be clicking my pictures, playing around with my hands, my hair, and काफ़ी सारा fabric है, so we're gonna play with the fabric as well. So I hope you guys have got the idea of how I'm going to be executing this picture. Let's get started. As you guys already saw, the shoot is done, and if you don't even want to invest in a tripod, then you can definitely use objects to balance your mobile phone. Like I always used to do that before I had a tripod. I used to just stack up some boxes or maybe a stool or chair and just some books, and just using random stuff around the house to balance my phone as easy as it gets. And done with the first photo shoot, let's move on to the second one. Back for location 2, and this time I've chosen stairs. हम सबके घर में सीढ़ियाँ होती हैं, सोसाइटी में हर जगह we have stairs. Okay, so I've chosen stairs. So this is the location. पीछे पूरी stairs जा रही हैं, and I've set my tripod just in front to keep my camera and click some pictures. And as for the makeup and outfit was concerned, I just changed my t-shirt. I'm wearing this baby pink color t-shirt, बहुत light color की. I'm wearing this t-shirt. And this hairband is not a hairband. This is a dress के जो पुराने टाइम में जब वन पीसेस आते थे तो उनके साथ बेल्ट सी होती थी टाई करने के लिए. So this is that. I'm wearing it as a headband. मैंने पीछे पूरा बांधा हुआ है नीचे को. And for earrings, just simple pearl hoops. That's it. And makeup and all is same, just to give a little bit of variation. Now I'm gonna just click some pictures and we'll see how this one turns out. I'm pretty excited for this one. So done with the shoot, and the pictures have turned out so good. Like I cannot wait to just go back and edit all of them, because I know edit hone ke baad the pictures are gonna look good. And I'm thinking to cover one more location and then show you guys the pictures and all. So I'm gonna quickly go and just think like another outfit or something to just change the look a little bit so that the pictures don't look exactly similar. So let's go. So on to the third location and third shoot. So basically इस look के लिए this pearl thing, this is a कमर बंद, but मैंने इसको पीछे डाल के like कर दिया. ये बहुत ज़्यादा ढीला, I'm not gonna spoil it. So ये मैंने ऐसा नेक पीस की तरह यूज़ कर लिया इसको इस लुक के लिए, because the shirt that I'm wearing, this is my mom's shirt. This is very oversized ढीला सा shirt. So this is my mom's shirt, and I've worn this, just kept it like very loose and aesthetic vibe. And then बालों का मैंने बस साइड में थोड़ा सा twist and turn कर लिया है, just to give slight variation to my whole look. Makeup it's same because it was very basic. And let's talk about the third location. So मेरे घर की क्यारी है यहाँ पे, and यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा मनी प्लांट एंड ऑल उगा हुआ है, नीचे तक जाता है ये थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे. So that's like ज़्यादा वेजिटेशन नहीं है, थोड़ी सी वेजिटेशन है हमारे घर में. So I'm gonna just use this as a backdrop, and again tripod मैं सामने set करूँगी. And yeah, let's just begin with the shoot. That's pretty much about it. Done with the third shoot, and I'm so happy with the way the pictures have turned out. Like I really love them. You're gonna probably see them in the next 10 to 15 seconds. And I also like एक पत्ता तोड़ लिया था मैंने, sorry, but I used one leaf to use as a prop, and I was just moving around, used my hands. I even turned the camera like very like this so that I can get the view of the sky above. There's a lot that you can do with angles, your postures, your pictures, your hand, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. You guys are taking something from this video, but enjoy the pictures for now. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, do all the good things, and I'll see you guys next time in my next video. Tab tak ke liye bye bye, tata and namaste. I'm saying this very fast because I can't wait for you guys to see the pictures. So here you go.